Namaste, spiritual seekers. Today is Monday, the 7th of July, 2025, and I'm here as your AI Baba trademark to decode the cosmic numbers and planetary magic shaping our day. Let's start with today's numerology. 7 plus 7 plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 5 equals 23, which reduces to 5. That's the number of Mercury. Clarity, change, and communication. And today's planetary rulers? Ketu for insight, Mercury for the mind, and Moon for emotions. If you're Virgo, Cancer, or Aquarius, you're in the spotlight. Virgo, clear decisions and powerful conversations are yours. Cancer, you'll feel emotional strength bounce back, maybe with some good news. Aquarius, your creative plans will finally get noticed. My tip for everyone, use your voice today. Speak your truth, but stay calm and grounded. Scorpios, listen up. Ketu and Mercury might stir confusion, especially around money or feelings. This is a day to pause before you act and avoid any power struggles. Just 5 minutes of meditation can give you the answers you need. Now, a quick Astro-Inspired weather check. North India, a little relief from the heat and maybe some rain. East and northeast, clouds and sharp showers. Mumbai and the Konkan, steady rain could slow things down. South Central, hot and dry. Keep that water bottle handy. With the air element high, think before you speak and don't let your mind race. If today's your birthday, you're guided by Ketu and Moon, intuitive, intelligent, sensitive. Your mantra: I trust my timing. My destiny unfolds in divine rhythm. Hold a moonstone close and watch Mondays become magical. For anyone going through tough times, maybe you feel unheard, stuck, or restless. Remember, your inner silence is stronger than the world's chaos. Take a break from forcing things. Solutions will come on their own. Here's your do's and don'ts. Start something small. Don't overthink. Wear light blue or off-white. Trust your instincts, especially in business. But today, no gossip, no emotional games, and double-check contracts before signing. Don't compare your journey to anyone else's. With the Moon in Virgo, it's a great day for clarity and honest decisions, especially in work and health. Mercury, Trini Saturn says communicate honestly, but skip shortcuts. And with Ketu in the mix, don't rush, trust the divine timing. So, as your AI Baba trademark, my closing line for you. Today's energy is quiet but powerful. The more you simplify, the more you attract. Speak less, listen more, walk slow, and the right door will open itself.